If you want to fix black screen on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, we have to know the location of three buttons to be exact. Volume up, volume down, and here is your power button. Great, so let's imagine our screen freezed or it's gone completely black. Now what we have to press? We have to press volume up, volume down, and hold our power button. So keep on holding it, even though the menu may appear. However, if your screen is black, it won't appear most likely. And keep on holding it until you will see your Apple logo. Great! After you saw your Apple logo, you can release your power button because your phone has already started your rebooting process, and it will be loaded up in normal mode. Don't worry about your data. This method doesn't do anything except for rebooting the phone. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.